Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets and use red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, now draw I for ice, I for ice cream, and use blue color. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use blue color and draw. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, now draw numbers and first read of 1 and use green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids, again use green color and draw. 4 F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. Kids, again use green color and draw. 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E and 7. 8 E I G H T 8. Kids, again use green color and draw. 9 N I N E 9. Kids, now draw 10. The numbers of 10 and use black color. T E and 10. 11. The numbers of 11. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Red color, green color, black color, blue color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. Kids, first you draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use red color and draw. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God. G for grapes. It's neither H. H for hand. H for helicopter. And here is green color. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids again use green color and draw. M. M for moon. M for mango. N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange. O for octopus. And here is black color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. R. R for rose. R for rice. S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Kids neither V. V for van. V for violent. And here is blue color. W. W for watch. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Kids again use blue color and draw. Z. Z for zebra and Z for zoo. Red color, green color, black color, blue color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now draw numbers and first letter of 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and here is green color. S I X 6. Kids again use green color and draw. 7 S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. 10 T E N 10. It's night 11. The numbers of 11 and here is black color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and here is blue color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use blue color and draw. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.